Try to understand the point, try to see the life, and you will come to the point. And being an actor is most beautiful thing. In my view, as I perceive, in India, we have given the greatest philosophy, that is लीला. जो भारत के अवतार होते हैं, देखिए जिनको अवतार कहा, बट दैट इज नॉट ए स्पेशल थिंग कि वो अवतार होते हैं कि दूसरा नहीं होता. उनकी लाइफ को कभी लाइफ कहा ही नहीं है गया, उनको हमेशा कहा गया लीला. कृष्ण, दे परफॉर्म लीला. राम, he performs a leela. Then we too perform a leela. If they are performing a leela, we are not different from them. We too are performing a leela. Disidentification. कैसे कोई व्यक्ति स्माइल कर सकता है अगर अपने एक्ट से इतना आइडेंटिफाई हो जाए? मूवी के सिनेरियो में जो एक्टर आइडेंटिफाई हो जाता है वो एसाइलम में ही जाके एंटर होता है.
The objective is now to not identify with your role to that extent, because that is my problem. I have that issue that I perform my roles with that kind of I'm just too dedication.
Do anything. My suggestion is do anything, but ask one question to yourself: am I peaceful? Am I blissful? Bas, that's all. If you are peaceful doing stupid things, that's okay for you. If you are blissful while doing stupid things, it's okay for you. Fundamental thing is peace and bliss. So no question कि ये करना है या वो करना है, जो मर्जी करो. लेकिन पहला क्वेश्चन अपने से पूछो, क्या पीस और ब्लिस है मेरे अंदर? है अंदर? कोई बात नहीं, कुछ भी करो. आप सिर के बल चलते हो, यू आर ब्लिसफुल. इट्स ओके. It may be normal for you, not normal for others, but it may be normal for you. So सिर के बल चलिए. It makes no difference actually, but fundamental thing is, are you peaceful and blissful? And this take, Monica said, the being an actor, most beautiful thing, most beautiful device actually. That girl last, what's your name? Vanshika. That is again your answer.
But the problem is if I perform my role as an actor, that I am performing my role as a daughter or a sister, the problem is I won't be able to give my best 100%.
You will give best shot if you are actor.
Then my heart and soul is into it.
Yes.
So the problem is I'll get attached to it.
That is the problem. That is only mental problem. If you are actor, you will give your best shot. Then you will become a star, superstar. And with heart and soul. Who told you actors don't perform with their heart and soul?
But they do get attached. Like
No.
it's
Never.
automatic.
Not automatic.
I can't help that. I have to get detached. Like
Just wait a minute. Just for a moment, try to understand and you will perceive no need of attachment. Without attachment, you can perform perfectly well. With total love. With total love, you can perform. And no attachment. Attachment is always mental and it is conditioning. Conditioning ideas we are carrying through generations. It is not reality.
इतना control का मसला है हर चीज को.
Just try this device. Wake up daily and remind yourself you will remain a good actor and you will give your best shot. Get the point. It's not so superficial, trivial thing. Acting is not so trivial. Acting is not artificial. Acting means acting. Just go into the meaning of a word, not the trivial meaning. Acting, whatever is the meaning of act, whatever you do. I am drinking this water, it is acting. Not this acting, I am giving a scene, a melodrama. Everything. I am speaking, this is acting. I am seeing here, this is acting. Acting means performance of any act. That is the true meaning of the word. But attachment to that meaning, that the process to the act, that is the problem. So don't make things trivial. And again the problem is, my wife and your husband, just drop. Nobody is anybody's wife, nobody is anybody's husband. They are simply human beings. It's a coincidence that they are brothers, sisters, husband, wife, friends. They are this and that. This is coincidence. I'm a guru, someone is disciple. This is simply coincidence. This is our tagging. This is our tagging. And again, I will say this is workable utility. In the society, this is workable utility to live sanely. We decide some role to somebody, and that is only workable reality, but that is not total reality. There is a woman, she is not entirely and totally anybody's wife. She is a woman. She is a woman, simply a woman. You can divorce her tomorrow and she will not remain your wife. What then? So nobody is entirely in his or her role. It is only workable utility. Just see it, and then you will feel total relaxation.
You mentioned that we are all acting out our parts in a large divine play.
Yeah.
So how does हम सब में we're made of some tattva. Let's call it sattvic, tamasic, or rajasic. So I'm just saying that it's the creator that decided that
Yeah.
I am going to have this bent of mind or that bent of mind, and the evil and the good is all God's creation, if we were to call it this.
God in the sense of consciousness.
Consciousness, consciousness. Now, if I'm made in a certain complicated way, then all of Syria's killing and all of North Korea's killing is also justified, because they are functioning through the tattva that they are made of. To that mind or to that intelligence or to that consciousness, killing is a justified act. So all of what's happening, and if it can't be divided into good and bad, then all of it is good, right?
No. Then you have divided it. If you say all is good, you have divided it. See,
So all is happening as per the natural order.
as per the natural happening, as per the conditioning. और अगर जो आप सर कह रहे हैं, अगर रावण जीता होता तो हिस्ट्री अलग तरह से लिखी जाती. तो बताया था एक टेररिस्ट आया था अयोध्या से और अटैक किया था, फिर हमने उसको किसी तरह से कैप्चर किया और फिर जो जीतता है इतिहास उसका लिखा जाता. दैट इज अदर
One
थिंग.
man's army is another man's terrorist.
Yeah.
And the winning party gets to decide who
Yeah. Exactly. That is social scenario, but the exact answer, in a deeper spiritual meaning, in her question, in the deeper spiritual meaning, actually, everything is acting according to his or her tattva. The main deciding factors are, you can see, first thing is genetic order. You born to some parent and your gene is somewhat decided. Now through genetic technology we can reform some things, but that is another thing. Again that will be conditioning. First thing, that genetic conditioning. Second thing, environmental, social and educational conditioning. That. And third and very important thing, that is the deciding factor of every act, up-to-date conditioning. I divide conditioning in two parts. That first is environmental, educational and social conditioning, and second, up-to-date conditioning. At this point, you are listening me, it is creating up-to-date conditioning. Now your act will be different, because the input of energy, input of ideas, input of presence, input of so many things you have gathered. Right now you have gathered a different kind of energy and idea. So your act will be different. It has changed your tattva. We have only certain conditions that create us. A psychopath is doing something, it is that up-to-date conditioning. His up-to-date conditioning, according to that. So, society will decide what you try to question. Society will decide what is good and bad, and society will consider that act good and bad and reward or punish anybody. If society thinks this is bad act, society will punish. If society thinks it is good act, society will reward. But fundamentally, spiritually, nothing is good and bad. It is only happening through the nature of that person and up-to-date conditioning. And up-to-date conditioning can change anytime.